Odyssey Itugo is a premium electric scooter that is launched by Odyssey Electric in India. Itugo electric scooter is designed to give you most comfortable ride experience that any scooter possibly can. Odyssey electric scooter branch launches Itugo in two variants, that is Itugo and Itugo Lite. Odyssey electric scooter company has its other products named as Odyssey Evoque electric bike and Odyssey Hawk electric scooter in the market. Team Electric Yug is concerned about the environmental changes and puts little efforts to promote the electric vehicles and renewable energy sources. In today's blog of electric scooter, we will mainly focus on Itugo Lite. There are many plans and initiatives by Indian government and Indian states government to promote the electric vehicle in India. People are start to shift towards electric mobility that is pretty auspicious, and this is bringing us next to the electric revolution in India. Especially in two-wheelers mobility segment, brands like Odyssey Electric are going great with its electric products. Bandwagon on a regular basis, and now they also have one new entrant, Odyssey Electric, with its Itugo scooter. There are many options in two-wheeler electric vehicle segment. Should you choose to this one? At a first glance, the design of the Odyssey looks similar like traditional electric scooter. At the front apron, like most modern day scooter, LED headlight with DRL features and indicators on the handlebar are provided. Vehicles have prominent looks from side. Ground clearance is 250 mm, that is good enough for Indian road conditions. Overall length, width and height of the Itugo electric scooter are 1800 mm, 700 mm and 1100 mm respectively, with wheelbase of 1350 mm is provided. Leg space and the riding position of the vehicle are comfortable and also convenient for daily commutes. Elevated tail lamps is noticeable. The speedometer cluster is completely digital. At right, there is drive or reverse speed control switches are given. When look at to left on handlebar, we see a regular high beam, low beam, left-right indicators, parking switch are provided, while horn switch are provided on both the sides. Itugo Odyssey electric scooter has been provided with telescopic fork suspension at the front, where as heavy spring loaded suspension are given at the rear side. Suspension of Itugo is very smooth as comparable to other electric scooter in the segment. Itugo Lite is specialized for delivery services or as cargo vehicle. Therefore, suspension does a very important role. The gross weight of the vehicle is about 90 kg, where it can carry load up to 150 kg. The braking feels little unfavorable. At front, the vehicle have disc brake while drum brake is provided at rear. Both at the front and the rear, 10 × 3-inch tubeless tires are given. Odyssey Itugo EV propelled by a 60-volt BLDC waterproof motor having rated power of 250 watts. Vehicle comes with features like front reverse drive transmission modes and 3-speed options. Itugo Lite gets the battery capacity of 1.26 kWh, which of 60 volt 25 ampere lithium-ion battery pack. This battery gives range up to 60 km in one single charge. The battery takes complete 4 hours to complete charge, and quick charging of the battery is also provided. Battery is completely detachable, implying that you can swap the batteries in future with swappable battery options in the future. The top speed of the Itugo electric scooter is set to about 25 km/h. Due to this, no registration and no license is required to drive Itugo. Nemin Ora, Chief Executive of the Odyssey electric vehicle, said the Itugo is targeted towards the urban women and the youth market, where everyone wants to have their mobility in their own hands at an affordable entry cost without any hassle of registration process of license. The Itugo scooter comes in 5 color schemes: azure blue, scarlet red, teal green, midnight black, and the last one is matte black. Itugo gets a needy feature like a reverse gear function, 3 ride modes, LED instrument console, anti-tap motor locking, keyless entry and the USB charging. Whereas this is an economical scooter, the e2go feature list isn't exhaustive. Odyssey offers 3 years warranty on lithium-ion batteries. The e2go price is about 70,000 Indian rupees. The other famous Odyssey electric bike EcoVis price set to rupees 1,50,000, that is ex-showroom price. The Odyssey e2go competes with the Hero Electric Dash, which features similar motor, and it is targeted to same audience group. 9 dealerships across India are doing sales and service under the Odyssey Electric brand. We visit one of the dealerships which is located in Samtanagar, Vasai West in Palghar district of Maharashtra, on dealership name of the Rides electric scooter and bikes. Owner of the dealership, Mrs. Priyanka, are good to customer and Team Electric U that they provided a test drive of the vehicle and give complete information and knowledge about their products.
Welcome to Rides Electro. We are a franchisee for Odyssey electric vehicle. If you are looking for a vehicle in electric, we are dealing into scooters and bike. So welcome for a test drive. We are located at Vasai West, 60 Feet Road near Kettiwadi Hall. Please welcome for a test drive.
Hoping same with the other Odyssey dealerships in India. Thanks and regards to Odyssey electric scooter and Rides electric scooter and bikes.